Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. In today's episode, we are going to conclude our three-part Ease of Access series by discussing accessibility features that cater towards speech. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started. Today we are going to look at the speech recognition tool. This setting enables you to use your voice to control certain functions on your computer. To find this feature, type speech recognition in your Windows search box. A configuration window will appear with options to set up speech recognition as well as to train your voice. If this is a new experience for you, begin by selecting the option to set up your microphone. Here, you can connect any microphone and begin syncing your voice with your computer by reciting practice dialogue. When completed, it is recommended that you spend some time training your voice. What this means is that your computer will provide you with speech exercises for you to recite through your microphone. During this process, your computer will actively retain information regarding your speech patterns. The goal is to prevent the computer from providing inaccurate translations. If you wish to test this out, simply select Start Speech Recognition and a small recording window will appear at the top of your screen. To begin, simply say, "Start listening," and you can begin by stating your first command. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and as always, I greatly appreciate your time and willingness to want to enhance your digital literacy. My name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.